What's going on, guys? All right, so I've got just checking my transmitter again. All right, what's going on, guys? So we've got the Challenger 392 all finished up in Avery gloss metallic gray. We've done Avery satin black straps, satin black stripes, and satin carmine red stripes over the entire car. This car looks like a paint job. Let's check it out. All right. It would be hard for someone to know that this wasn't a paint job. I mean, you guys know. It looks amazing. Let's check out the mirrors. Everything's holding on tight. Of course it is, because I showed you guys how to wrap it. Right? Door handle is super easy. Everything else, pretty mint. Stripes all the way down the back. So the stripes probably took me like, I want to say 4 to 5 hours. So just so you can see. Alright. It actually looks wicked with the red accents on the lights. I love it. I don't think it can go any better than that. Either way, let me know what you think. I love it. I think it looks amazing. Let's check it out from back here. Full view. Yeah, it's nice. Super nice. Even the red lettering on the Hemi, the 392 Hemi, looks awesome. So it ties in really well together. Either way, let me know what you guys think. I did do a bunch of videos for this, so if you enjoyed them, give it a thumbs up. If you think this car looks awesome, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because I think it looks awesome and it sounds amazing. It's a Hemi, so it does sound really good. I don't know if this has an exhaust on it or not, but it sounds wicked. Whatever is in there or whatever's on it for an exhaust, it sounds wicked. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos, and take care. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.